Going to school seems so fun. That's what I thought before I began. To wake up, take a bath, dress up, and leave home every day. Oh, if I will only have Saturdays and Sundays for play. My dada, mama, and ate Edith are instrumental in helping me realize school is essential. When I want to have a good future, I need to say I must enroll. Not for long. I already like schooling. We sing and dance what joy it brings. Whenever I score excellently in my written and oral tests, they give me reward for being at my best. As Teacher Rochelle patiently guide us day by day, monthly, hard work, dedication, and care all the way. Let me say thank you so much to our respected Mr. and Mrs. Di Manila. With that,